Hi, my name is Paul John. My app is built using Android Studio and programmed in Java and XML. When designing my app for high schoolers, I decided to address a problem that I faced on a day-to-day basis in school. I would take a picture of my friend's notes, but a few weeks later when I was preparing for the exam, it would be extremely difficult to find the image among the thousands of pictures already in my gallery. Notes Filter solves this problem by automatically sorting all your pictures, voice recordings, and typed notes by class based on the time it was taken. Let me show you what I mean. These are all the classes I've already created for demonstration purposes. Okay, let us take a picture. This picture is blurry because I'm using a webcam, so that's why. Okay, let's create a note. One more. Now all the files we just created will go into the calculus class because right now it's 235 and 235 is between 155 and 240. So let's navigate to it. So the month is August, week 3, and it is a Friday. And here are all the image and the notes we just took. So if you click on the image, you can see that it will display the image. And if you click on the notes, you can see it will show you the notes. And if you don't like navigating through all the folders, all you have to do is go to settings and uncheck the option to show empty folders. And now if you go to calculus, it will only show the folders that have something in them. So another thing you can do is you can share the files with a friend using Gmail. So you can send it to your friend and share it. And one more thing you can do is you can rename the file. So I'm going to change it to agenda, hit finish. And you can also like reorder the files. So you can put the unutitled 2 in front of agenda. And if you want to delete something, you can just swipe to the right. So now if you go back, this will show you all of today's files. So the first 2 files. And so if you click here, you can see the image. And if you click here, you can see the note we just took. And the thing about my app, it will also give you notifications 4 minutes before the end of class. So you can see only 4 minutes remaining, and the timestamp is 2:36. The class ends at 2:40.